Hello everybody, Don here, Don's Pigeons. Just thought I'd show you, today's Saturday, beautiful day today. It's in the evening. I'm getting ready to fly these young birds with my old birds on my white racers. Got quite a few young birds and I want to get them going. And here I got some training my third round rollers. This is a couple 2018 young birds here, and I just want to put 3 of them out here for now. I got actually 4. They've been out here all day, but now I released the bar so they can go in any time, go in and eat, and train them to go in and out and get used to the surrounding area. So we're flying them again. Well, I flew the rollers this morning, and got all these young white racers here. A lot of these young birds are watching the old birds fly. So they've been training to go in and out on their own, and we're leaving the door open for them for a little while so they can get used to the area. And it's my old cockbird there. He's the old one. He's been hanging out for a while. That's the grandpa. But there's my young birds right there. Some of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So they've been going in and out all day for the last week, and they've been observing the old birds flying. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay. As you can see, the old birds are taking off and the young birds are getting to be very observant and checking them out to fly. And as you can see, the young birds are there. I'm not trying to spook them. I don't want to do that. They're not used to flying too far out anyhow. They're just kind of hanging out outside the coop. And as you can see, most of them right there are the young birds. So they can see the old birds are up there flying, enjoying the weather, being free as you can be. Like I want to be one day if I can fly. I need to take these guys out sometime now. I want to take them out and further away so they can really home into this area. But unlike high flyers, these racing homers, I mean, they're pretty strong flyers, but all they do is go in circles for a while because, I mean, they're bred to fly far and long and hard. Not really just to be circling around. Okay, you can see some of my young birds here hanging out. And the old birds flying. And eventually these guys are going to hang out with them. A little at a time, they're flying up on the coops, on the ground. But I don't want to scare them, that's for sure. So, beautiful day to be flying. Anyways, like I said, I got them out here hanging out, and I don't want to scare them, so let them do what they got to do for a while. In due time, when it's time to fly, then I'll get them up in the air. But for now, I just want them to hang out for a little while and get used to the area. Oh, there's a black racing homer. I don't know. There's a black one up there. Yep, there's a black one up there. I don't know whose bird that is. Could be a wild one. He's trying to hang out with my white ones, as you can see. I was wondering why they're kind of flying erratic. They're not used to this, so every now and then that'll happen, but they will not land here, that's for sure. But you see how the guys are flying? They're not sure what's going on. There he is, right there. Look like a blue check. And sometimes these racing homers, I mean, a stray will hang out and then depart. He looks like he's taking off now. I'm not sure. He's coming back. Yep, there he is. He's hanging out for a little bit. Wow, he might even land. I'll be damned. Wow, there he is. I don't know if he's going to land. Okay, now I don't see him. So the farmer plowed his field. So hopefully the pigeons will stay away from over there. I don't like them going over there. I gave them plenty of grit, so I don't know why they're hanging out over there. Maybe because of the seeds, I don't know. A lot of tomato seeds out there. That's where they're growing tomatoes. Yeah, let me get my little flag here. Let me get these guys going for a minute. Got one strug, one flyer here. I think they're all out now. My breeder's doing good. Now let me show you a quick update on this one. Yeah. I don't know if you can see them, but got plenty of young birds in here. Got some young babies down there. That don't help, does it? Nope. Yeah. You see, I got one there, 3 down here, 3, 4, 5. Here, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, looks like 7 so far. I'm sure there's more than that though. But yeah, they're still doing good. Oh, there's another one creeping back there. 8. Okay. 8. There's probably about 9 in here. 8 or 9. But they're doing good. As soon as I get old enough, I'll stick them with the other flying team. Once I meet my goal over there, I'm just showing some of these youngsters. Okay, let's see. We got them all out. Young birds are hanging up on the coop. And let's see what I can do here for a minute. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2. Whoosh. Isn't that a beautiful sight? Man. Where'd they go? There you go. And the temperature is pretty good too. Probably about 78. And I just gotta be careful. Don't want to scare them young birds. So, gotta get my Budapest loft going, man. I really want to start flying these high flyers. Oh, doggone, there they go again across the field. Young bird right there, trying to get up. Trying to get used to the area, I guess. He's flying. Got another young bird over there in the cage. You can almost tell the young birds because they're clumsy. But eventually they'll find their way. Alright, well, I just thought I'd show you. Young birds training with the old birds. Like I said, there's another young one right there. You can see he's just trying to learn his moves. I mean, they're just laying everywhere. They're so clumsy. There he is, way over there now. But eventually he'll find his way back. That's why I'm careful in spooking them. I don't want to get too close and spook them. I just hang out from a distance and gently breeze up the flag and scare the big ones off. Old birds. So, don't want to make this a boring video. I just thought I'd show you. Now I gotta get my dang pea shooter and scare them guys out of that field there. Hate when that happens. There you go, young bird. There you go. There you go. And that's how we do it here. Let the old young birds hang out with the old birds. Eventually they're gonna be strong flyers and take off with the rest of them. Alright, thanks for looking, guys. Another great video. Uh-oh. What did I just see over there? Is that a seagull? Sure was. Big old seagull over there. Big old seagull. Man. I don't like this. Hang on a second. Yeah, let's see if we can get these guys to come out of here. Yeah, see the young birds on top of the coop. And whoosh, come on, get on out of there. Whoosh, whoosh. I'm phasing them. Look at that. Hate when that happens. Anyways, I'll get my pea shooter, scare them out of there. Alright, guys. Again, Don's Pigeons here. Beautiful, warm Saturday evening. Probably about 6 o'clock. Temperature really cooled down there. It was up in the 80s for a while. Too hot to fly. So, thought I'll show you. Keep them flying. Thanks for looking. And have a great day. And like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Shout out to all my fans, the subscribers. Appreciate you all watching my videos, and I'll watch yours as well. Thanks for looking, and have a good day.